Are you recording it?
Yeah. I saw a little piece of paper just fly.
Yes, sir. What's inside? What's inside? There's something in there.
You know, I think he just wants to open gifts.
I'm gonna have to wrap all of his toys up.
Yeah.
And take some of our old wrapping paper that we don't really use. And just wrap everything up. Oh, they'll do this all day long.
It's good for his hands too.
It is. What's in there? Goodness.
You got it.
Are you sitting on something?
Yeah, I think I am.
Oh, what's that crinkling? Oh. Oh my goodness, it's making noise. Let's get it out. Here you go. Pull it out. Grab it. Come on. You can do it. Here, grab this part. There you go. Cool. What is it?
Happy 4th day of Hanukkah.
What is it? It's a firefly. Yeah. Look, it's got this thing. You can put that in your mouth if you want. Oops. Here it is. Good job. See, it makes sound. And there's a little mirror on it,
A little
too.
smile.
I love it. Much bigger hit than the fishbowl.
Yeah. All right, baby. Mr. James.
Bye-bye.
You like your gift?
I'm busy, Daddy.
I know. All right. Well, we will take off now. He loves the crinkle.
Yeah, he does. What you think? It's awesome.
All right, baby. Well, happy Christmas.